So I'm asked all the time how to take care of cutting boards. It seems simple enough, but people just don't do it. This board has been washed probably daily for years without any kind of oil being added to it. It feels really rough and dry, like really dry skin. You can tell that it's almost bleached out. Even though it's been washed daily for several years, there's nothing wrong with this board. It's still solid. There's no cracks in it. It's a good board. I'm going to just show you how to give it some love. As you can see, when you compare the two boards, they are different types of wood. So that's one reason why there's such a drastic difference. This board looks nice and soft. This board here has just been neglected for a couple of years. I'm going to use mineral oil to put all over this board, front, back, and I'm going to let it soak in overnight. And then I'm going to repeat the process until it stops soaking into the wood. This may take 2 or 3 days, and through the miracle of video, it'll just be a minute or so. I'm going to just give myself a little squirt, and I'm going to use an applicator. I can also use a soft cloth. Now I'm doing this on top of my cutting board because I don't want this oil necessarily to penetrate my granite countertop. I actually see streaks of the oil. I don't have big puddles of oil, but you do see oil on the surface. I'm going to let this soak overnight, and I'm going to revisit this roughly the same time tomorrow. I'm going to give it 24 hours. I'll revisit this tomorrow, and we'll probably add another coat or 2 of oil. See you tomorrow. Okay, here we are 24 hours later. You can see the board is much darker in color. It actually looks like it's starting to look healthy again. The oil that was on here yesterday is completely soaked into the wood. It's definitely better. So what I'm going to do from here is give it another coat and let it soak in. So we'll just do that real quick. I'm going to start on the other side. Leave this wet again, just like I did yesterday. Much easier today because it's already got oil in it, so it's not penetrating quite as quickly as it did yesterday. I am going to leave it just like this. It is wet. I'm going to let this penetrate overnight, and we'll figure out tomorrow if we need another coat. Here we are 24 hours later. Oil that I put on yesterday has completely soaked in. It feels nice and soft. And I think I'm going to leave it there. I don't think I'm going to put a third coat on, but what I am going to do is just give it a rub down with a towel. I waited about 4 days to take another look at my board, and you can see it's still got really nice color to it. It feels soft, as soft as this board can feel. And what I'm going to do now, it's not to the touch at all. So I do this and I don't feel any excess oil. What I'm going to do at this point is add a layer of, basically it's beeswax. This Booz Block board cream. It's got food grade mineral oil and beeswax. I'm going to put it on the top here. I'm going to use an applicator. I'm going to work this in to my board. Now this is a different product, so it's not going to look as wet as just the mineral oil, but it's going to still give it a nice sheen, and it's going to help seal this board up. So after 3 coats of mineral oil and 2 coats of mineral oil with beeswax, my board is healthy again. Remember, this board had been mistreated for at least over a year. This particular board sells for $100. So it's worth taking the time and keeping your board nice and healthy. Cheers.